everyone. Today we are going to start with chapter number 5, Presentation Visual Effects. In this chapter we will learn the following topics. We will learn Introduction to PowerPoint, applying animation effects, adding transition effects, inserting sound and video clips, using action buttons, importing data from Word, viewing presentation and slide master. Previously we have discussed from this chapter the following topics. We have learned Introduction to PowerPoint, applying animation effects, categories of animation effects using various options, and adding transition effects. Today in this video we will learn from page number 48 the following topic. We will learn how to insert sound clips using sound from file option. We will also learn identification of audio button. Now open your computer book at page number 48. Here we will learn the topic inserting sound clips. We can insert music or sound effects into our presentation to make it more interesting and attractive. We can insert sound in the form of background music or some special effects. We can add sound files from the files stored in our computer or from the CDs. Here are the steps to add sound from a file. First of all, we have to select the slide on which we want to insert sound. Then click on Insert tab. Afterwards, click on Audio drop-down arrow from the media group. You will get the option Audio on my PC. Click on this option. Then Insert Audio dialog box will appear. From there you have to choose your file that you want to insert on your slide and click on Insert button. Then you will notice a speaker icon on your slide will appear. Let's see it practically now. Click on Start button. From Start sub-menu, click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. By clicking on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, you will get presentation window on your screen. Now you have to make a presentation with 3 or 4 slides. Here you can see I have made a presentation with the name Save Trees with 4 slides. Now I will apply the sound effect on this slide. Click on any slide on which you want to insert sound. For example, I have selected the first slide. Now click on Insert tab. From Insert tab, under Media Group, you can see this icon, Audio button. By clicking on the drop-down arrow of Audio button, you will get 3 options: Audio from file, Clip Art audio and Record audio. We will click the option Audio from file. Now here you can see Insert Audio dialog box will appear on your presentation. From here, you have to select the music files that are stored in your computer. For example, I am going to select this file. Now click on Insert button. After few seconds, you will see the music file will appear on your screen with speaker icon. Now look at your book at page number 49. Here you will see in the first point, on Playback tab in Audio Options group, we have to select the option Automatically or On Click from Start box, where I have already discussed the terms and working of Automatically option and On Click options in the previous video. Later on you will see to play the sound we have to click on the speaker icon. The play and pause tab will appear right below the speaker icon. Let's do it practically now. By clicking on speaker icon, you will notice Audio Tools tab will appear. Under Audio Tools tab, you can see two additional tabs, that is Format and Playback. Click on Playback tab. In Playback tab, under Audio Options group, click on Start Box drop-down arrow. Here you will see three options: automatically, on click and play across slides. To play the music on our slides automatically, we have to select the option automatically. Now to see its preview, we have to select the slideshow tab. Click on slideshow tab. From start slideshow group, click on from beginning. The music will appear on your slide automatically. To stop the music, click on pause button. Now press escape key to come back to the normal view. Now look at your book at page number 49. Here you will see a tip box is given. To continuously play a sound clip, we have to select the option Loop Until Stopped checkbox. It is present under Audio Options group in Playback tab. If we apply Loop Until Stopped option, the audio clip will repeat as long as one slide is displayed. Let's do it practically now. Now click on this speaker icon. Here you will notice under Audio Tools tab, Format and Playback tabs will appear. Click on Playback tab. Here in the Playback tab under Audio Options group, you will get the option Loop Until Stopped. Click on this checkbox of Loop Until Stopped. Now, to see its preview, click on Slideshow tab. Under Start Slideshow group, click on From Beginning button. Here you have seen audio clip has repeated. Now press the escape key to come back to the normal view. Till now we have learned from page 48 and 49 how to insert sound clips using Sound from File option. We have also learned identification of audio button. Now revise all the step questions till done.